Narashan JK Ïangrai, Police Officer berjabat masyarakat Assistant Inspector General of Police ubak JK Ïangrai bersyakam menhaka artarik unai haka Special Investigation Team Jakarta CID ulayok ban mina mentaka janmin na Civil Hospital Shillong ban usyatian bishar haka yang bishar First Class Magistrate mentahi ke janmin. Nakaliang ke yang bishar kelarai ban ailat di Police bagian pelong ke Tohkit sahnya Sngi dan kita ke Police Custody. Hadi melatihan besar kabikalan bagi latai kebor ubak Ïangrai ulong bakani ke jing syak no jongu kanang datang ke jing no akila patai kebor ndai ka padon setia kono ke jing Indonesia nakaliang jong ke jing besar ulo kono bakani ke dei tang ke media trial. Ulong ru bakal jing la im jongu nak jing syak kono aki kling ke tengah ke dei Namar ke jing Ieid ke jong Blei. Hai kon ban unong saan jong ubak Ïangrai hadian bala dep ke jing besar oleh tu punya huep pudut no syak Tohkit haka Police Custody nak matah Sngi ban an satian besar biang ya haka khat tarik matau benai. Ulong ru bah keding sia nak liang jong lepan pau ya kajeng soya ha ban Tohkit a Police Custody namar kajeng kaj bam khan ba jong kamet jong ubah Ïangrai hendai nak liang jong ke besar kalarai ban ailan di Police ban Tohkit a custody jong ki bat kihap ban Lait ra examine ya kaj ka khia kamet jong ubah Ïangrai haman kasau prakanta.
Let me try. I just request immediate. Please do not do this trial. I have just been saved by the grace of God.
Please leave the way. Please leave the way.
And crows that which was a threat to my life on the All Souls Day.
Yeah, please. The hearing today?
The SIT team asked for 7 days of police custody, and we have objected to that one. However, for the interest of the case, the court has given 7 days of police custody, and he will be produced on the 12th of November. And the court has directed the IO to ensure the safety of Mr. Ïangrai with regard to his health and his medication, and has been directed to produce for medical checkup every 48 hours. So right as of now, that is the thing. So he has been given 7 days of police custody.
You were earlier planning to seek judicial custody. So
Yes. We have objected strongly to the police custody, saying owing to his health and because the interrogation can be done in judicial custody as well. However, the court declined to accept our objections and says that this is a period of investigation because IO's prayer has been accepted.
So what will be your next move, if you can tell us?
Next move, you see, police custody is going on now. We think that let the investigation be carried out properly, and thereafter we will see his new course of action. Probably on 14th we will put his bail application.
Thank you.